Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 2. 2D sketching exercise with the relations. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D sketch as given in the manual. Once the sketching is completed, specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. As we are going to fully define the sketch by using relations, few part of the dimensions are enough to specify in the sketch. Now select the lines having the same dimensions and give the relation equal. Now select all the lines having the same dimensions, again give the relation equal. That's it. Our 2D sketch is completed.